Well, today Marva Bennett, who is with REMAX Posh Properties here in the Austin area. Today I am in Manor, Texas with the sales manager, Luke Wagner of GFO Homes. And I want him to get us started today by telling us what is so exciting that's happening where GFO Homes is building here in Maine.
Hi, Marva. It's super fun to be with you today. Obviously, we've known each other since we met in phase 1 of Whisper Valley out here. GFO is very exciting because we're new in name, but certainly not experienced. Our company owner, Glenn Guillen, has been building homes for 4 generations, soon to be 5, as his son is now joining the building world. So it's unique to have a long bloodline of building homes in this industry. But what we've done out here at GFO is literally just offer the most insane value of all the builders here in the community. Semi-customizable options. All of our finish outs are head and shoulders above everyone else's. Our professional decorators do an amazing job of all the selections in our homes. And we're really just bringing great value at a time when the market is really just not slowing down anytime soon.
Well, what about Whisper Valley, where you are here? There's really some very interesting attributes here about Whisper Valley. Why don't you share that with us?
There are, Marva. I could go on all day long, but I'll give you the main ones. We all have solar panels out here. They're included with your home and you own them. Number 2, we all have geothermal heating and cooling technology that is included in your home, which basically simplified means that we're using the Earth's thermal properties to heat and cool your home. So super energy efficient way to heat and cool your home. Number 3, we have smart home technology that is included in your home. And we also have EV charging ports included in your garage. So we're very eco-conscious, very eco-friendly, and we're really trying to stick to being one with nature out here, but also creating the one-of-a-kind feel of a community that is unlike any other in the whole entire world right now. And we're right here literally in the shadow of Austin.
What else is exciting is I love your location. And with all the growing companies here, you are so close and easy access to that big employer that's hit town for quite some time, Tesla. So I'm sure you'll be getting more of that. Tell us a little bit about what next phases that you're going to have, since this is phase 2 and it's just about sold out.
Yeah, we've gone a long way in a short time. We went through phase 1 in barely a year and a half, and we're 3/4 of the way through phase 2 already, nearing closeout here. We started with over 50 lots, and we are down to literally in the teens of homes left, and they're all on the ground. Literally, our last homes are form boarded right now, meaning they should be complete by March of 2022, and they're moving fast. It has been crazy. I know it's a holiday season, but it's not slowing people from getting in their homes before Thanksgiving, before Christmas, or the new year. That is for sure.
That's a great point. People want to get situated before they start new jobs or whatever in January. So they should come out to GFO Homes and give Luke Wagner an opportunity to show them what you have. Why don't you tell everybody about, are you having any incentives? What's happening in that area?
Yeah, Marva, great point. It's been a wild 2020 to say the least. Hopefully everyone's happy and healthy and going to have a safe holiday season. But yes, we have brought back incentives. I know it's almost like a swear word, but we have as a builder. They change rapidly. We're on our toes constantly as sales managers. We have incredible incentives right now. For instance, we're offering $5,000 towards closing costs. Our lenders are going to pay owner title policy, and we're going to include blinds on all operable windows in all of our homes that can close in 30 days, in which we have a handful of them. They're ready to go. They can move in before the end of the year.
Well, that's exciting. And also I'll talk about location here. The company I'm with, REMAX Posh Properties, we have 5 different offices, and the Manor area is just starting to be a big focus. So glad that you're a big partner that can participate in helping people to find more homes. There's a little bit of inventory growth here, and glad to see that you're a part of it. Again, I'm Marva Bennett with REMAX Posh Properties. I can be reached at 512-431-6390. And I have with me Luke Wagner, sales manager of for the Austin division of GFO Homes. Everybody have a great day and come and see what GFO Homes has to offer. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Marva. Come on out and see